Ever opened a Power BI dashboard and felt completely overwhelmed? Charts, slices, filters, everything screaming for attention all at once. This is where progressive disclosure changes the game. It isn't about hiding your data, it's about guiding focus. Here are 5 tips to level up your dashboard. Drill to pages. Keep your main view high level. Let users right click and drill into the details only when needed. Second is incorporating bookmarks and buttons. Create show more experiences. Your user clicks on the buttons and you reveal the additional visual. Third is visual hierarchies. Enable drill downs in chart. Chart starts with yearly, click for quarterly, and then monthly on demand. Fourth is tooltip with context only on hovering. Fifth is conditional visibility. Use stats and bookmarks to show and hide visual dynamically. I'll soon be uploading a PPT on same, so please subscribe.
5 smart ways to level up your Power BI dashboards.
Importance of effective dashboards. They empower users to make informed decisions quickly, ensuring the valuable insights are not lost in data overload. Overview of this presentation. Objectives: enhance interactivity, user engagement, and overall functionality of dashboards for optimal experience. It allows users to access detailed data without overwhelming the main dashboard, promoting clarity and focus.
To implement this, define your main report and detail pages in Power BI. A clean Power BI dashboard may present a broad overview, while a right-click action opens up a detailed page. Bookmarks enhance user experience by allowing users to navigate between different views effortlessly. With buttons, users can create personalized show more experiences. Users can gain control over the presentation of data through show more functionalities. It offers detailed insights only when requested.
Learn More buttons allows users to trigger the display of additional data and visuals, seamlessly making complex info more accessible. Visual hierarchies help users understand data relationships at various levels. By enabling drill-down options in charts, users can progress from summary views to detailed insights. Drill-down capabilities allows users to navigate through data, progressively revealing layers of insights, encouraging deeper engagement with the visuals. Contextual tooltips provide additional insights without cluttering the main dashboard. These can reveal relevant stats or even mini charts upon hovering. Contextual tooltips are small, interactive pop-ups that provide supplementary info, say the key stats or trends for informed decision-making.
Example: hovering over a bar in a chart reveals a mini chart providing user to connect data points quickly. DAX combined with bookmarks allow visuals to respond to user interactions, enabling a tailored experience, where insights are revealed or concealed based on filters or selections. Let's recap. First, implement drill-through pages for depth. Second, use bookmarks and buttons for engagement. Third, foster visual hierarchies for clarity. Fourth, enhance with contextual tooltips. And fifth, apply conditional visibility for customization. For continuous learning enhancement of Power BI skills, consider subscribing. Thank you.